It's a 2014 Dodge Journey. Your day may be like every other day, but with Journey, it doesn't have to feel like it. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, dual zone climate control, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, doors and push button start proximity key, and multi-speed automatic transmission. The Car Connection notes the ride quality remains a strong point with a proper damping and roll control for a family vehicle. Every Dodge delivers a signature thrill. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.